Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 15 Pro, and today I will show you how you can insert your SIM card into this phone. Now before we get started, you will need to grab a SIM eject tool, similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box. But if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, chain out one at the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, you'll then need to take out the tray, which is located on the kind of like a middle part on the left side of the device. As you can see right here where the pin is holding right now. So you're going to push it in and the tray will pop out, enough for you to be able to grab it and take it out. On the tray you have space for just a single SIM card. So place it with the chip side up and then insert it back into your device. Now with that being said, you do also have the option to use an eSIM. So in this case you could technically use two different SIM cards at the same time. One would be the digital and one would be a physical SIM card, or you can use just an eSIM. Now once the card is inserted, it should start working right away without any additional steps needed, apart from maybe inserting your SIM card pin if you have one set. Now for me, if I navigate to the settings and then to mobile services, you can see that it is right now detecting it. It's showing all the info about it. If I would remove it, everything here would just disappear. And additionally, you can add an eSIM right here. As you can see, eSIM. So you could do that as well if you wanted to, in addition to the one that is already in there, or you can just add eSIM alone without a physical, like I mentioned before. So anyway, with this being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.